gave you a paper. That paper.
Guys. I know, but I mean, you don't know yet if you are the first, second, or third.
For is 7:05.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Oi.
Guys, we're going to the school now. Say bye.
Oi. Bye, guys.
Okay. Good morning, guys. Let's go off to school again. Kent is still getting ready. Gabriel, say good morning. Gabriel. Hindi siya nakikita. Gabriel, say good morning. Ay! Wala siyang pakialam for today, guys. Alright. Han, go ahead, Han. It's okay. Tara, guys. Punta na tayo sa school ngayon. And by the way, guys, umuulan pala dito ngayon sa amin. Aray, it's raining. But little bit of rain is okay. Diba, like I said last video, sabi ko, naayos ni asawa yung nilalagyan niya na parang plyboard good, guys. Kasi yung water daw, dyan na area pupunta sa may door sa garage. So, the water will go inside our garage. It's gonna be so messy. So, good thing na inayos niya. But anyway, guys, let's go. Andito na kami sa bahay. Andito na pala ako sa bahay, guys. Nagpa-drop off lang ako sa aking asawa dahil magkakape ako, guys. Malapit lang naman ang bus stop ni Kuya, ihatid niya lang doon. Anyway, ulan, super ulan sa labas. Hindi nyo masyadong makikita dito sa ano, but, yes, it's raining like crazy outside earlier. Yun yung basa na naman yung aming ano. Pero, it's good ha, na may ulan din kahit papaano dahil, para madiligan yung aming mga plants and mga fruit trees namin. Mga ganitong panahon, guys, ang sarap pagtulog. Wala naman akong gagawin actually, but yun nga, mag-aano lang kami, relax kasi, but maybe I'm going to do laundry later, so mag-relax na muna tayo mga palangga and samahan nyo ako for today's video. I will see you guys later. So guys, me and my husband decided na pupunta kami ngayon ng favorite na restaurant namin na buffet kasi parang masarap kumain at saka maulan. So, and this is the only time na makapunta kami just us, you know, basically like date at lunchtime. Charot! Ito lang yung outfit natin. Ano pa nga bang dapat i-outfit? Napaka-simpleng outfit, guys. Of course, my chinelas. Ayan. Tapos, leggings na black. At ito, ukay-ukay, guys. Actually, matagal ko na itong nalabhan at matagal na itong hindi nasuot. But, I wanted to wear it right now kasi para comfortable ba? Anyway. And of course, my crossbody. Hindi pwedeng... Ano ba ito? Uy, ang mga white... Mga yellow, napunta na dito sa akin. Uy, Diyos ko. Ano nangyari yun? Anyway, so, yan. Ito yung crossbody natin, of course. One of my favorite. Ayan. Ganito lang yung outfit ko, guys. Very simple. Very simple. Yung asawa ko, syempre, mas simple yun siya, guys. Tada! So, this is the only time that we have. Kasi yung mga bagets na sa school. So, kami lang mag-asawa ang kakain ngayon. So, let's go, guys. At umuulan pa rin. Let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Siyempre, yan lang yung ng asawa ko, guys. Suot niya. Palagi. Ganyan na naman. Napakasimpleng tao. So, tara, guys. Samahan nyo kami. Grabe pa rin yung ulan ngayon, guys. But not too crazy naman. So, tama lang. Pero wala pa rin hinto. All day na. Anong oras na? Alas 11:40 na ng tanghali dito. Pero okay na din to para super dilig talaga sa mga plants namin. So papunta na kami doon, guys, okay? Wait. pagkain niya una. Waiting for the grill to open. Like 5 more minutes. Wala masyadong tao dito, which is kumuha po siya ng sushi, tapos fried rice at saka chicken, tsaka yung sauce. What? What?
I wonder if this food they put in there is fresh.
For sure. It don't taste fresh?
No, I didn't. Wonder how much they like put out the next day.
Go eat. I'll go get my food now.
I did.
Ito yung pangalawang plate, guys. Merong imitation crab, shrimp, onion, bell pepper, jalapeno. Ayan. Ang plato ni asawa, guys.
Get rid of all the trees.
Guys, nakauwi na po kami. Galing sa lunch namin. Tapos, relax na kami konti sa bahay. And then we're going to pick up the kids now, guys. Meron akong blanket kasi nilalamig talaga ako. Although hindi siya super lamig, it's 42 degree. What's that? Hindi siya masyadong malamig, guys, pero dahil nga ulan, nilalamig ako ngayon. So, let's go. Wait na naman kami ng isang oras, guys. Para lang talaga nasa front kami ng linya ba. Anyway, naantok ako eh. Matutulog siguro ako sa sakyan. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. And inaayos ko lang yung mga labahan namin dahil napakadami ko pong nalabahan ngayon. Ayan, kay Ate Cassie. And para sa amin, si Kuya Ken, tapos na po siya naglaba kahapon kasi siya yung pinalaba ko. So, ako naman ngayon. So, let's do this, guys. Tapos na ako lagay ng mga labahan sa washing, guys. Tapos, mamaya konti, umpisa na ako magluto. Of course, I'm not hungry yet. So, as my husband, hindi rin siya gutom. Kasi, kailangan ko mag-umpisa ng luto para in case yung mga bagets, gutumin na. So, at least, prepare na yung food. Bahala na lang yung nanay na mag-relax na. Ang importante, food is ready. Di ba, wow? So, let's see, guys, kung ano ba ang ating maluluto for tonight. What do you want me to tell the teacher?
To see if I can use.
120.
God.
To see if you can use what?
Let me just do it. Where's your phone?
Oh, my phone is in there.
That's a.
Anyway, guys, so I'm not gonna make anything crazy tonight pala kasi ako busog pa. Tapos yung asawa ko busog pa, guys. Lamig ng aking kamay. Somebody is working on his homework. Hi. What you doing? Good. Good job, Kent. That's my one, guys. My boss. Boss lot. Anyway, guys, so tingnan nyo. Hindi na po umulan. Tingnan nyo. Napakasani na. What? Mag-ulan ugma. I think so. But right now, look, I'm showing them that it's already like sun come out, you know. But anyway, yes, I think tama siya, guys. Uulan bukas. Alam pa niya paano magbisaya, no? That's good because it's very important, guys, na marunong pa rin siya magbisaya or Tagalog kasi advantage din kasi, guys, na marunong siya magsalita ng iba't ibang language ba. Dito sa by the way, dito sa amin, guys, dito nagsasalita pa rin ako ng lengguwahe namin. Kaya hindi ko pa rin tinatanggal yung lengguwahe namin. Para talaga matuto sila ba? Habang lumalaki, ma-adapt nila yung Tingnan natin kung ano ipakain natin kay Gabriel, guys. Baka gusto niya ng kainin muna natin si Gabriel ng kuan. I will make Gabriel some chicken nugget maybe, but we will ask him. Yes daw, guys. Gabriel said, yes, I want chicken nugget. Oh, very good. But I'm going to put a little bit of rice. Good job, Ken. That's right. Effort is the key. Effort. E-P-P-O-R-T. Merinda na naman si Madam Bertrud. Yan ako. Oh. And I just wanna love you forevermore. Oh. Tapos initin natin to kasi baka gusto niya ito. Hopefully he likes this one. Well, I think he likes it. It's just he don't like yung may onion, guys. Gusto niya plain na. Plain mina burger. So, guys, if Cassandra will get $1,000 from her award, she's going to split it with me. Thank you!
Go away. I never agree.
Galing nga, ay. Salamat kasi. Guys, niloloko ko siya, guys, na pag nakakuha siya ng first prize doon sa award na she's going to receive an award on March 4, guys. Yan yung mention namin sa inyo na nakaraan. Na isa siya sa winner. So, niloloko ko siya na akin yung kalahati. Hindi daw kasi meron daw siyang bibilhin at saka marami siyang mga plano sa kanyang pera, guys. Bibili siya ng sapatos, bibili siya ng mga kung ano-ano pa. Okay lang naman kasi sa kanya naman yun. Wala naman problema. What you doing? What you doing?
Nothing.
Can you say hi to the vlogs? You didn't say hi to them.
I'm angry today.
Why? You told...
Because I don't want to say hi to Brooke. Because that game is keeping so hard.
Oh, that's why you're angry?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Don't be angry.
I am angry. I want to be stronger. Like Cat. I want to be stronger. I want to be so stronger and Cat.
Yeah, you will be more stronger when you...
I want to drink some milk.
Okay.
Please make me milk.
Since you say please, yes, I will.
Yay.
Kumain na din kasi siya ng dinner, guys. Kaya, maya konti, gagawan ko siya ng gatas para okay ang kanyang pagtulog. Nandito lang yan siya sa kwarto, naglalaro. Pinakain ko na to eh. So, hindi na ako kumain siya ng rice. Hindi na ako problema sa kaya hapunan kasi tapos na siya. So, relaxing lang dito sa higaan, guys. And, after maya konti, paliliguan ko to. Tapos, aasikusuhin ko yung mga shipments ng mga staff na bumili sa akin, ayusin ko yung mga staff items nila. And, yeah. So, yan lang muna for today, guys. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa inyo for joining us sa ating daily vlog. So, I've been very consistent uploading videos dahil kahit papano merong mga nanonood. And of course, I appreciate you guys so much and thank you so much for always watching our video, guys. So, please, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe na sa ating YouTube channel and pa-like naman ang video kung nagustuhan po ninyo. Thank you and love you guys all. Be good. Bye!